interaction between a Cut Bank resident and police turned deadly on Friday, and the town is still reeling from the events. MTN's Tommy Lynch is at the scene where it all unfolded.
On Friday afternoon, police responded to a violation of an order of protection. The man confronted the officers with a rifle, and as a result, he was shot and died later of his wounds. On the 200 block of 5th Avenue Southwest in Cut Bank, a neighbor called the police when he saw a man trying to break into a house. The neighbor declined an on-camera interview, but showed me the door the man tried to break through. As another anonymous neighbor shares, this is not the first dispute they've witnessed.
Yeah, it seems like they've been having a lot of issues. I've been hearing about domestic violence issues. I don't know anything firsthand with that, but there's always cops around here.
The neighbor said the police arrived in this back alley, where he heard the officers ask the man to drop a rifle. That's when the shots were heard.
All of a sudden there was gunshots. There was 3 of them right in a row, and then a pause, and then a 4th one.
According to the police report, the officer was not injured. The Cut Bank Police Department declined to comment anything further than the press release. The investigation is still ongoing, and the police have yet to release the name of the officer or of the victim. For the most up-to-date information, you can head to our website. In Cut Bank, I'm Tommy Lynch, MTN News.
A statement released by Michael Schultz, the police chief in Cut Bank, reads, "We ask for patience as the investigations are conducted. As the chief in Cut Bank, I have seen the impact incidents like this can have in a small community. I also know how well small towns come together and support each other in a crisis. I ask that you please keep those involved, as well as their families, in your thoughts and prayers." And MTN News will continue to monitor the situation and update you as we uncover more information.